Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the video. So today we are out here by the Rio Grande at Radium Springs, New Mexico, and I'm gonna be taking my drone up to the Robledo Mountains to take a look at the Geronimo Cave. I haven't been up there before, so that's why I'm using my drone right now, just to kind of get an idea of what's up there. Maybe later on when the river is low enough, we could just walk across and go take a hike up to the mountain and take a look at that cave. But yeah, let's get started and set up my drone. All right, that's set up there nicely on my tripod. Okay, so this is gonna be the drone that I'm gonna be using. It's the DJI Mini 3 Pro. One of my favorite drones because it's very light, very portable, and it has really good flight time, about 34 minutes. So that should be enough battery to get us up in the mountain and take a look around and then back down. But yeah, it's very nice. It has its own controller you could put on your own phone if you have an Android or an iPhone. It'll work with that. But yeah, let's get this set up and up in the air. All right guys, so we have the drone up in the air and ready to go. So the first place I'm gonna go is to the entrance. That way you guys could see what to expect when you do get here. So let's go. All right, if you're coming from Las Cruces, you're gonna wanna take exit 19 and turn left into Radium Springs. You're gonna go past the railroads and you're gonna get to a stop sign. You're gonna take a left, that's Highway 185. Heading towards Las Cruces, it's about 1.5 miles and you're gonna get to the road, Hayride Road. That's on the left side, but you're gonna wanna turn right and that should take you to the levee. And heading south on the levee, it's like about 1/2 mile and you'll get to the parking spot where you're gonna start your hike. And yeah, as you can see, the river is full of water. Unless you want to swim across, you're gonna have to wait till about September or October when they drain the river. Then you'll be able to walk across. But yeah, let's just go up the mountain, follow the trail, and we should get to the cave in no time. Hello. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. For sure this is a really exciting place, and I really do want to cross the river so I could go up there and take a look myself. But yeah, let me know down in the comments if you've been up there before. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.